Jyoti is having a huge variety of automation machines. From that, we are here with DFG 200, which is having an automatic gantry and loading system. Multiple bearing rings and the shaft components can be loaded over here. There is a high-speed gantry over there. The speed of the gantry is 100 meters per minute. DFG 200 family, we have a tailstock and turret. So we can do the variety of jobs like bearing and shafts, etc. In this machine, we can have a bearing rings and multiple types of rings up to 200 dia turning is possible. And the shaft size, yes, definitely the 170 long shaft turning is possible in this machine. The response from the automobile industries, general engineering industries, pumps, like shaft of the pumps is tremendous. We are here with Tachyon 4FT, one of the fastest drill tap center, which is having the 4th and 5th axis direct drive rotary table. The rapid rate of this machine is 70, 60, 60 meters per minute. The tool change time is just 0.7 seconds. The most compact machine with floor space is much lesser than any other drill tap center. It is mostly accepted in EMS, that is electronic manufacturing services, automobile and many other electrical items manufacturing companies. As we are aware that the demand of EV vehicles are increasing day by day in India. So one of the most crucial component is shaft turning. This machine is having a twin turret along with electro spindle, which offers higher power and higher torque of 22 kilowatt and 170 Newton meter torque. In this, we have a programmable tailstock. So as per the length of the shaft, you can adjust the position of the tailstock in programmable way. There is a loading and unloading system with this. So there are 12 stations. The turret is having a gripper, and the gripper will grip the shaft and load into the machine. There is a twin turret, so simultaneous twin turret machining is possible, which gives the much higher productivity, and the chip removal is much better than any other horizontal turning centers. It has been observed that if you count the cycle time of shaft turning in horizontal turning machine with single turret, and you compare in this, so against 3 horizontal machine, our 1 single VST is more than enough. So this will give you the better productivity and surface finish as well as the accuracy.